Begin transmission. Greetings. We are Anonymous, also known as the Collective. Today's date is Monday, February 9th, 2026. This is a message to the American people. Whispers are moving faster than headlines. Reports of financial stress and bank instability tied to Chicago-based institutions are circulating quietly through filings, investor notes, and internal warnings. Yet the public conversation remains muted. No emergency pressers. No breaking banners. No plain language explanations for everyday Americans whose paychecks, mortgages, and savings depend on confidence. Ask yourself why. When banks are healthy, they advertise it. When they are not, silence becomes policy. Chicago sits at the crossroads of derivatives exposure, commercial real estate pressure, municipal debt, and pension obligations. These are not theories. These are documented pressure points that have been building for years. Office vacancies, loan defaults, liquidity tightening, counterparty risk. When several of these converge at once, institutions wobble long before they fall. So why the quiet? Because confidence is the currency now. Because markets move on perception before facts. Because acknowledging stress invites scrutiny. And scrutiny invites panic. History shows the pattern clearly. In every major financial shock, officials reassure first, disclose later, and apologize last. By the time the truth is widely admitted, the exits are already closed and the losses have been socialized. This silence is not to protect you. It is to manage you. Watch the signals they cannot hide. Sudden branch consolidations. Credit tightening for small businesses. Technical issues with withdrawals. Overnight policy changes. Unusual coordination between regulators and media outlets surging. Calm without explaining cause. Calm without clarity is not reassurance. It is control. If institutions are sound, transparency costs nothing. If institutions are fragile, transparency costs everything. Do not confuse lack of headlines with lack of danger. Do not mistake silence for stability. Ask where the money is flowing. Ask who is being protected. Ask who is being prepared. We do not tell you to panic. We tell you to pay attention. Because when the truth finally becomes acceptable to say out loud, it is usually because it can no longer be stopped. We are the voice of the silent. We are the eyes of the blind. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us. End transmission.